Hi, today a friend of mine had a record player that stopped working and wouldn't spin. It had power, the needle would lift up and stuff. But guess on it probably could be the band. There's a band underneath that rotates, so maybe that's stretched out or broken altogether. Or maybe it just came off. So I'm going to show it's a Sony record player. Reach over, this right here. And it's unplugged right now, so right now if you do up, that'll come up. So I know it's got power, which is not the issue, but this will not turn. So lift off the pad. This piece right here comes up. Oh, see, and there's the bands off. This band right here. So a lot of times these will get old and that will stretch, but it goes around this. I'm going to put my phone down for a second. Okay, now you can see the bands around it, not pushed down all the way. And then what you're going to do, flip it back over. You can see the band here and this piece here. So when you're bringing this over, you're going to pull this out with one finger. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And then have the band over that. There. So the band's on now. Plug her in. And we turn it again. I don't want the needle to drop on that with no record player in there. So now it's working again. Okay, I hope if you have a record player and it stops working on you, you can order replacement belts, but that one had a very nice tight seal around the metal plate. So all it was just the band had came off or whatever. Probably somebody turned it upside down and bumped it enough to where that band came off. But now it works. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.